Have you ever needed to knit small projects on long circular needles? Did you know that this is possible with a technique called the magic loop? Circular needles are knitting tools made up of two needles, connected by a flexible cable. This setup allows us to knit pieces in the round, such as hats, socks, cuffs, and sweaters, without the need for additional seams. The magic loop technique is a way to start a new round of knitting without leaving a visible seam, resulting in a continuous and uniform finish. To execute, we use a circular needle to cast on the initial stitches, twisting the cable of the needle to create a small gap between the stitches. This allows the first stitch to be knitted without leaving a noticeable seam, starting a new round of knitting without interruptions. This technique is especially useful for projects where a flawless finish without visible seams is desired. How about you? Are you familiar with this technique? Do you like circular needles? Comment down below and don't forget to share this video with your friends. I am Day. Follow me on social media for more knitting tips, and I'll see you in the next video. A hug and see you soon.